Number 2, you're going to simplify the polynomial here by subtracting the polynomial, making sure the answer is in standard form. Notice the first thing that we do when we are subtracting a polynomial is to recognize that this is a -1 that is in front. The best thing that we should do is distribute. So -1 times x squared is -x squared. -1 times 5x is -5x. -1 times -5 is +5, okay? That is what the second one becomes after we distribute that -1. It becomes an addition problem, and nothing happens to the first polynomial here. That remains the same. Now we can just group it by like terms, okay? This is going to be where the degree 2 is, degree 1 is, and then the degree 0. Degree 2 is 2x squared minus x squared. Okay. Then the degree 1 would be minus 2x minus 5x. And the other one would just be 3 plus 5 for the degree 0. 2x squared minus x squared, it is 1x squared. Minus 2x minus 5x becomes minus 7x. Then 3 plus 5, it is just 8. So that is your final answer. X squared minus 7x plus 8 would be your final answer. Next, let's do this one for B. First thing is to recognize this has a -1 in front. So what we're going to do is distribute. -1 times x squared is -x squared. -1 times 3x is -3x. -1 times -1, it is a +1. That is what happens to the second polynomial. Then we bring the first polynomial just down. Okay. Now we can combine like terms. This is going to be where the degree 2 is. This is where the degree 1 is. And then this is going to be the degree 0. Okay. Degree 2 has your 2x squared minus x squared. Degree 1 minus 4x minus 3x. Degree 0, 8 plus 1. 2x squared minus x squared becomes 1x squared. Minus 4x minus 3x is minus 7x. 8 plus 1 is 9. So your final answer is x squared minus 7x plus 9. Okay, that would be the final answer. Let's look at C here. First thing to do is recognize that there is a -1 in front. So what we're going to do is we're going to distribute it in. Becomes -1 times 2x squared becomes -2x squared. -1 times 6x becomes a -6x. -1 times -1 becomes a +1. And then this becomes an addition problem because we distribute the -1. Bring this down. Now we group them by like terms by degree. So this is going to be degree 2, degree 1, then degree 0. Standard form by descending degree. Degree 2, 6x squared minus 2x squared. Degree 1, minus 4x minus 6x. Degree 0, 1 plus 1. 6x squared minus 2x squared becomes 4x squared. Minus 4x minus 6x minus 10x. 1 plus 1 is 2. Your final answer is 4x squared minus 10x plus 2. And the letter D. Okay. Oh, shoot. This is supposed to be a, sorry. This is supposed to be a minus. Okay, this was supposed to be a -1. Okay. All right. So distribute that -1 here. So -1 times 5x squared is minus 5x squared. -1 times 2x is -2x. -1 minus 2, it is plus 2. Now it becomes an addition problem. Bring this down. Okay. All right, then we group the like terms by its degree. Degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. Degree 2, 6x squared minus 5x squared. Degree 1, -1x minus 2x. And degree 0, 1 plus 2. 6x squared minus 5x squared becomes 1x squared. Minus 1x minus 2x minus 3x. 1 plus 2, it is just 3. So your final answer would just be x squared, because we do not write that 1 in front, minus 3x plus 3. All right? So there you go. That is how you simplify a polynomial by subtracting.